Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to switch to hosting mode on the Airbnb platform. So the first thing to do is to go to your browser, either it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any browser, and then you will need to go to airbnb.com. So after you click on it, you will be taken or redirected to the Airbnb website, and then you will need to create an account. So basically you will need just to click on this icon here at the corner. You click on it, and of course you are going to click on sign up, and after that you can either sign up with your phone number, or you can sign up with these alternative accounts, either Facebook, Google, Apple accounts, or your email. So basically I'm just going to continue with my Google account, and then I'm just going to choose this account and I'm going to log in. So basically when you are going to create your account, all you need to do is to log in into your account and then just follow these simple steps. So after you log into your account, you will find here the main menu or the home page. And basically if you go next to your profile, you will find switch to hosting. And this button will take you automatically to the hosting page, or you can do an alternative way by going with or clicking on manage listing. So basically if we click on switch to hosting, it will take us to the hosting page, and as well as the manage listing will take us to the hosting page, as you can see. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.